Assalamu alaikum, greetings, voice from the Gambia, voice from the Smiling Coast, voice from the Unis Coast, voice from the Wonderful Force, voice from Foni, the Gambia. So right at the moment we are in block, at the moment, right? We are in the heart of the Gambia, heart of Foni. So right at the moment, here is one of our land, 100 by 80, which is on sale, 120 plots. 20 by 20, so it's already 8 plus have already gone. Yeah, through by my viewers out there, through my subscribers who are in need of land, I let them know and they already bought it. Yeah, so the place is already owned by them. So right now 20 plus are remain right now. So simply the way right now, if you want Lucky Child to own his car, right, this other car, buy the whole land right now or buy a plot. When the plot is done, this car will belongs to Lucky Love the Gambia, Lucky Child and Pabaj. So in case if you are out there, you want to be a farmer, and then you want a house or a land in the Gambia, the one of the cheapest land right now in the Gambia. Aset lands in combos in south of the Gambia, more than 40 plots is already gone within 6 days. Everything is gone, yeah, and it is all about Ramadan promotion. They were selling 125. We are not in the Ramadan. This is 125, and the one they were selling their land for $125,000. It is now moved to $200,000 at the moment. Right now, the cheapest land in the Gambia is 125 Gambian dollars. So if you want Lucky Child to drive all over the Gambia and set you powerful videos, buy the land, and the car will be owned by Lucky and Pabaji, and the car will be owned by you. But the amusing thing is, have your comfortable mind, your own resident is your everlasting asset right now. So let's make together to own your dream house, your dream home for your family and for you yourself. We might together. What today? Angleterre, England, Norway, Germany, Sweden, all over the globe, worldwide. Right now, whoever was calling me for land for 20 by 20, that one is done and complete, finished right at the moment. So I drive away from Combos Brikama to block for 30 minutes driving, 35 minutes driving. So right now we can drive. Here is the mouth of the Trans-Gambia Highway that will lead you to Basse, Jarasoma, Kiang. Yeah, so here is it's a matter of few minutes drive, matter of some seconds driving to the land, and matter of some minutes walk from the main. So the amusing thing is there's electricity here, right? Yeah, and the land itself, there's a pole. In case when you buy the house, or you buy a land, or you buy a plot, or you buy everything, it will be owned by you. So it's a residential area as well. You can see there are houses people are living in, people are comfortable living around. So that's the next plot that we are going there. Yeah, yes. So right now, andong Foni block, whatever that you plant in Foni block, it works, it grows. So right now, Kanukiling, Gambia, I did a video in Bajana, a village before.
A village after
block, a village after this village where we are.
Yeah.
I just sold it out within 3 days. Yeah. So this one, I want my people who were calling to get this out within 3 days. In history of the Gambia, by selling lands, I'm the only YouTuber or only Gambian who sell land within 3 days or within a week.
Within few days.
Within few days, 2-3 days, the land is gone.
Everything.
Because people around the globe, people around the world, trust me. People around the world, appreciate what I do. I never sell a land whereby there's a problem. So there is the land. Everything, the amount of the land right now. From here, there is the football field, the mini football field, right now behind the land here.
The fence there.
There's the one they are constructing, right? So right now, Gambia, the Smiling Coast, This one is not, it is not like there's a shovel coming up to clear everything. Everything is clear out. So what left is the demarcation, right? There's a house, neighbors, and there are neighbors, borehole, and there's a pole, electricity. There are 2 poles here, right?
Even expect.
Yeah?
I can see the car on.
Yeah, that's the Gambian, Trans-Gambia highway from Brikama to Basse. Yeah? I want to live here. I want a house here. And I want that car. Yeah. So right now, here is the mouth of the place right now. So no problem. You know, always anywhere I go, I may have to make sure I see the papers, the documents, every necessary documents. Even one document is missing, I never open my camera. Yeah. The land here is fertile and green. I come to Jamun farmland old.
Yeah,
Come Tia Kunkolem, yeah? Tia Kunko. Yeah? And then Franco fele. Mama Kunkayo.
Mama Kunkayo.
You know, Bordol and Pursiso and was yeah. So if you want this big tree to be part of your house or your land, you know, it's owned by you.
They mentioned here they are building a mini park here. Where
yeah, there's a mini park just after this fence that you're seeing, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a mini park and that's the road.
The road is not that much far. Yeah, even
100 meters away.
Then we call it 50 meters.
Yeah,
because we are spotting the car.
Let's say 75 meters because we can spot the cars and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you are going like to Brikama, you can stand here and sound the car. Hey, Brikama.
Mutao.
Straight.
So right now, combating on rekam, komlumelenko waherek. Right now, land la buhamande na nyunko jai in Foni block. So right now, Foni mungi begin in block. Right now, is the mouth of Foni is where we are, right? And then Foni is really good when it comes to agriculture. You can simply spot the trees and the ground still is not dry. You can spot still green, you know, leaves is right at the moment. You know what I mean? And then Kergini 100 by 80 land you jai for $125,000. Most of the land you must promote in the Ramadan and before the Ramadan, it was Ramadan promotion which is going for 125,000 Gambian dollars. Then I just need land you know no janan. Then I just need price be mom check na what up to the so right now still people are in need of land. They're calling me, they want to buy land, you know, 125,000 Gambian dollars. While land you know no dara desatufa. Dara desufa. So right now be more available land recently right now in the Gambia, the cheapest land more be 20 by 20 is 125 Gambian dollars with all necessary documents. Alcalo paper is the most important document. You have your aerial council, your physical plan, you have everything that's necessary. Your lawyer and your anything that's necessary to be signed will be. So right now, Koraje lebambulu from Gambia kono jamiyalon ka kaitol bambulu over 8 people. Mialon ko ela korra kaitol ba loke chale bulunga lano saile. I be the witness, I sign and do everything, but their name on the paper and everything is on the paper. So mune osabu lanaya gom mota niti jende sen kër rek bayal ma kéti be anytime su ñëwé Gambia té lani ñu fa amna lan yu ma wara xamantene man ko wara fence topoto len defa bool ak yoy nonu man ñu may ma tuti rek be wër koor bi jeex and then after the Ramadan at least I can have some chance to do some things. But right now this place I wanted to go to be quiet within 3 days. Right now the cheapest land in the Gambia, West Africa, the Smiling Coast moy be. So if you want to live in Foni, and there are people who are in need of land in provinces. Provinces, lucky child, help me a land in provinces. I need 100 by 100, 200 by 200. I need 500 by 500, 1,000 by 1,000. Here is 180. The mouth of Foni, the mouth of provinces, the heart of Foni.
No place is far.
The jet of Foni, no place is far. Matter of 35 minutes driving away from Brikama, the heart of the Gambia, Brikama, straight to Foni, the mouth of the Gambia, the Smiling Coast. The land is fertile and green. The soil is belong to our ancestors who owns and found a peaceful country across the globe, West Africa, across the globe, Africa, across the globe, the world, the Gambia, the paradise of the world. You wanna live here? Come up, feel the paradise of the world, the Gambia, Foni. You see, Papa, you don't know.
Yeah, jam place on come
Manika ko nga fa sen ya ale ma mo.
Ni place of diata back because bello nyala mano jibe ka on price of fana for over reasonable tala. So though the price is very reasonable and the place is not far from
Camera 360 bang yaje because I think people are watching me. I want people to see the land.
The place also is very clean.
Clean.
When you buy
Nadra is not clean. People are watching us there. The Corratio.
You more clean.
Fema ko jamba African. So then everybody know. And there's Q cell and Afri cell, GAM cell, Comium, antenna. Right.
Yeah.
Fema mankeja.
No, available.
Yeah. Ani le fanso mo
available.
Available. When it comes to electricity is here, mosque is there. And then football field is here. Town onying is here. School. Silo Betiata. Man onying. You can use this off-road bagway to see yourself in Biam.
Another villages in Foni.
We love the country called the Gambia. My capital city is Banjul. I'm born in a town called Lamel. My countryside is Foni. Man born and grow in Foni. Mana Foni, you know. And Foni councillor. I'm a people. Big up to Foni Berefet. Big up to Foni, you know. Anywhere in Foni. So right now, munul beka lano nyininka felentinde. Lano is belong to our ancestors, and whatever belongs to our ancestors is belong to us. So make sure it be your own forever lasting asset. We are long it's a lano jang comfortable. It's an everlasting asset. $425,000. Lano life o kata nyameng, diesel kata nyameng, monsol kata nyameng, iyal kata nyameng, sanjol kata nyameng, lano la value ka la value nyama. So right now, ala value is kakak, but ala price is cheap. So Jared right. Yela fansum kodra soto. Pabaji.
Yeah.
I 10 minutes sila bang.
Asile.
Fa atambita.
Asile.
Yeah. So we buy this in 10 minutes time. We make sure you have your own land in the Gambia. Colorless theater worldwide. So I have to take my time to put you in a safe and a secure, proper, a standard dream home. Gambia to the world. And then you go to the Foni, and I'm all left to live Foni kono. Bukoke, kumambe live in Foni. The Fonians who don't have land in Foni. Wala bukoke, it is time to promote unom land here Foni. Looking Foni, no bachfanka Foni, no tape Foni, no more Foni. Anytime, ujoja ubi direct, no more babe. Foni block. Live and direct.
Ubaja lupi.
Ubaja lupi, no bach funky, no baja lupi, no bach kalimisi.
No bach kalimisi, no tape ko.
No tape, no finto, no mori, no ito, no nyodo. Wano usumi mi, ukando, I lupe oli.
Au kile.
Ando unom jad. Anata musa bi mara gine, nje kile. Au kile, au nomi, au kile. Mama mba kile. Ama au kile apop, ama akile. Ani?
No, mama akile.
Au nomi, au kile, ama ya kile, ama akile. Ma, big up. Hold it. Mama time.
That's where the land is begin, then okay, let's drive.
Yeah, we're not driving, just use the beginning of the land. Show them the beginning. Is where the
the beginning it's here where the pole is.
Yeah, so we're going to drive to the end of the land, and then you see how it is. So all this is the mouth of the land. Assalamu alaikum. Nah, Dad. Nangendef. Yes. The other day I came to see the families and then ask the neighboring compounds just to get the client information. You know? Yeah, so these are the neighbors, you see. Neighbors. Wow, that's a unique building, that.
Yeah.
I love that. Gisavu. baby je momoy. Ah, nyali wa kairo kono. Alhamdulillah. Yes. That's an orange farm. You know, see that? Orange. Them no kungo. So here is the end of the land where this building is. And then there's another pole. You see the pole?
Traffic light.
Yeah.
That's the service cable.
Service cable. And then there's the electricity. Here is the land where it's end. Yeah. So the house, the building you're seeing is not part of it. It's not part of it. So just there where the tree is, going like this, if you want to buy everything, then everything will belongs to you. So the owner of Jibakunda, the owner of the big land like this, they are the one that give out the football park, the football field for the villagers. You know what I mean? Yeah, so the amusing thing is nice. Everything nice. Electricity, water access, and then also if you want to have your own borehole, I think it's the best advice to have your own borehole in your own land. So Pabaji,
yeah.
sona mol nga fale rek salute al malba dawoda. Turn the camera, salute. Love you all. LOVYOU. Ala mutawoto. England, Norway, Germany, Sweden, all over the world. Korafele, America, all over. I can call it. So it is belongs to you when you buy it. Call this number and talk to them. Thank you for watching, and big up to Pabaji. Big up to you yourself, the viewer and the buyer. Straightforward.
Never forgot to share the
Video, yeah? The link, yeah, the link, yeah.
And also, anywhere you're watching us from,
Mm-hmm.
shout out to Ghanaians.
Yeah, man.